Hi guys, good morning. Today is my first park day and I've already had a few little things, but before I get into what things, I am planning to go to Hollywood Studios. I was supposed to be going on the Skyliner now, so I'm gonna head out right now. This is what I'm wearing, something super comfortable. I'm theming or trying to theme as Daisy Duck. Daisy bows that are purple, as you can see right there, and then the pink and the purple, and then my pink shoes. But like I said, I'm running late. I had done a full face of makeup. I mean, not like full glam, but like a light makeup, but like foundation and all. And just before leaving right now, I just took it all off. So I spent all that time for nothing, but I think in the end is for the best. And I'm struggling with my earrings because they keep flipping the wrong way. Okay, I think I got them. Oh well, let us go. My Tide pen. I don't want to forget my Tide pen. Anything else? It's like full chaos. And then a couple of these and we're all set. All right, let's go. Look, I'm kind of matching the theme of the resort right now with the pink and the purple. All right, hopefully I'm headed the right way. As the Skyliner line is already all the way up to here. Definitely was not on time or as early as I would have liked. But oh well, it's the first day. We'll see how it goes. Hi, one.
We're gonna follow them in the yellow cabin right there.
Yellow?
Yep.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Pop Century Resort and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. We're flying to Disney's Hollywood Studios.
So this is what the crowds look like. It's barely gonna be 8 o'clock. Oh, let's go take a picture by the Disney 100.
Alright, sis, I think this one's yours.
Hello, good morning. Good, and yourself?
Buddy, come on up.
Awesome, thank you. Yay, we are in without any issues. That is amazing. Now I have to get off of recording so I can go and look at my touring plans because I think it's a little bit late past my scheduled time. We were supposed to arrive at Mickey's Runaway Railway at 8:30, but I think it's past that. So let me check that right now. So this is currently what the line looks like. It's out here. So let's just get going and see where we end up. We've made it to the queue of Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. It is the first one on the touring plan, so we're going to see if we can really stick to it and avoid using Genie Plus. Because you guys know how I feel about Genie Plus. If you don't, I don't like it. I'm from the Fast Pass days and I like that. So using touring plans, trying to stick to it as much as possible. Hopefully we can avoid the need of it. So we'll see. It is currently, let me see the time, 8:12. I don't think it opens until 8:30. But at least we're being allowed to queue. So. But they started letting people in at 8:21. Like the line actually started moving. And I am so excited because it's for the first time that I'm going to be able to stick to my touring plans, hopefully. Other times because we have to use a combination of my touring plans to get a good idea, but we end up using my daughter's Fast Pass. But this time, since it's just me, I'm going to try to adhere as much as possible to the actual plans and see if there is a benefit to it. They did just release that they were going to start raising the prices, and it's like a good chunk of an increase. So I want to see if it's really worth it, if you really try to stick to the plans, how helpful it is. Allegedly, the park today is on 3 in the waiting, in the crowd. So we'll see how accurate that is. Hi. Guys, have you seen the hidden Mickey? There's a hidden Mickey right here in this little lamp thingy. Can you see it? It's right there. That's a hidden Mickey. And it's usually on all of them. But yeah. And we are already up here, and it is currently 8:37, so not bad. It's basically like a 7-minute wait officially since it opened at 8:30.
Row 5, who's arrived at that party?
1.
Row 6.
Row 6. Oh my gosh, we're literally the first ones to go on. I am so excited. Ah, I cannot wait.
Welcome aboard, everyone.
Thank you. Yay, and I get this entire row to myself.
Go ahead and pull down your lap bar.
And off we go. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, let's go. Let's see this.
Testing. This thing on. Can you all hear me way back in the back? Welcome aboard, folks. Not a chance.
Oh my goodness.
Hurry, hurry, hurry. Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Liftoff! There they are! We'll be right down!
I love this part. So windy. Oh guys, I love this.
Nothing can stop us now! We have to stop!
Oh no! Okay, this is what I've been looking for. I've been needing to get some coffee. So here it is. Just an FYI, Joffrey's Coffee is not part of Disney in the sense that they do not accept Disney gift cards. So for Joffrey's Coffee, you do need to pay either cash or with a debit credit, but no Disney gift cards. We've done it. I've gotten my coffee. Definitely needed it. And now we're gonna go over here and see how bad the wait is or how good it is. I needed this. Oh, this is so good. This is a shaken Jamaican from Joffrey's Coffee with Irish cream and cream. And it is really good. So this is where we're headed. Slinky Dog Dash is actually this long.
Slinky is still a delayed opening, folks. We don't know how long it's going to be before we open, okay?
Oh,
We're still finishing up with our opening procedures.
okay. Thank you.
I like your earrings, little bows.
Oh, thank you. Thanks. So it seems like they are operating now. So it is only about, let me see, 9:13. So it's not bad because officially it didn't open until 9 o'clock. So we're doing pretty good time. I'm almost halfway done with my coffee. I'm afraid I'm gonna have to probably dump it, but I'm so excited. I kid you not, I am so happy now that I got my coffee because I had something light for breakfast, which is amazing because I haven't been eating these past few days. And then I didn't have my coffee yesterday, really. I had a little bit from the airplane, but it wasn't good. And so now I'm not running on an empty stomach and I have coffee. So that is amazing. It's making me feel great. Slinky Dog, I can already see the cart. I mean, it's not that bad. It's bad, but it's been worse is what I'm trying to say, I guess. Right now we're currently at this location and you can tell it's not such a bad wait because all these switchbacks are not open. So I guess that's good. So we're actually not too far about timing to ride. I just did Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. I'm not quite sure. I'm having a little bit of issue between using my phone. This is actually my phone camera or my actual camera. It's just much more practical to do it on the phone. So that is why I'm doing it like this. Hopefully you guys don't mind, but I'll probably mixing a bit of the pictures, so it might be different. Here we go.
Here we go.
Okay, so currently touring plans, I just marked that I finished Slinky Dog Dash, which by the way, the time is 9:47, and it's telling me that I should go do Alien Swirling Saucers, which I do enjoy this ride. It's pretty fun, and it's telling me that the current wait is actually like 4 minutes or so. So since it's not far, I'm just gonna come and do it. And it doesn't seem to be that bad because usually the line is like all the way out here. So let's go. Yep, it says it's like a 10-minute, but that's, hey, thank you. But we'll see. So we officially got in the queue at 9:47. So we'll see how long of a wait it'll be. I'm so excited. I'm getting some done and I don't have any lightning lanes, so that's good. On the queue line thing, it said it was 10 minutes, but honestly, look, it's completely empty. There's nobody here. So I think it's going to be a ride on. Hopefully, one can hope. And I think it is. And then after that, I'm going to have to take like a restroom break because I had a lot of coffee and water. So yeah, I'm so excited. I'm liking that it's working out. Touring Plans is being accurate right now. Hopefully I can put off getting any lightning lanes or Genie Plus. All right, guys, we're about to start on Alien Swirling Saucers. So let's go. Just any minute now. Looks like we're gonna crash. Oh my god, so fun. Okay, so Touring Plans is telling me to go right now to Rise of the Resistance. It is going to be like a 40-minute wait. And then after that, I'm going to go have lunch because I am getting hungry. So we're going to go head on over. Many, if you're not aware, because I know at one point I wasn't, this is Toy Story Land. And then if you go over this way, you can head on directly into Batuu, which is Star Wars Land. I remember the first time I went like all the way around and I'm like, wait a minute, I could have just cut through here this whole time. So hopefully Rise does not go down because Rise tends to go down quite often. And right now that's where we're headed. And I'm going to let you enjoy the sounds of Batuu. Hey guys, so currently I am at Rise of the Resistance. The line is currently here, at least it's not all the way out to the entrance of Batu, so that's good. I'm going to be waiting here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and charge my phone because it is dying, and then after I'm done charging my phone, I'll probably get back to you, but we'll see how long the wait is. It is currently 10:16, and basically I just got onto the line, so we'll see. You can hear me because I don't have my microphone on, but it is, let's see, it is currently 10:54 and we are at this part of the queue, so I don't know, we'll see. Oh my gosh, I love this part. This is absolutely my favorite part.
Authorized, wait! Those are the prisoners! Attention Block 3. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway? Priority alert! Detachment to level D. There they are! Fire!
Alright guys, so I think we're gonna wrap up this portion of this vlog. This will be a part 1. I'm not sure if you guys prefer longer videos or shorter videos, but just in case, I'm gonna cap this at around 15-20 minutes. And then in the next vlog, which I hope you do come by and watch, and for that I do suggest you subscribe and click that bell so you guys get alerts. But we're gonna wrap up the rest of our Hollywood studio day. We're gonna have some food I've never tried before, as you can see me going to this place right now. And then something that I was not expecting happened. I was planning to do something for the entire day, and then things change, but I hope you can, like I said, subscribe and come back to see and follow my next adventures. Thank you so much. Keep Disney dreaming.